Hello, hello, hello. Working on the journal entry, I'd like to explain what you're supposed to do. It says follow the directions in the attached journal entry. So if I click on that, that will bring up all the directions here. We know every journal entry includes this paper, which is printed out. You should already have it. If not, you should know where to find it. You're going to staple it on top of your drawing, and you're going to staple it on top of your answered questions when it's done. All right, so you'll find the due date for when that should be. Make sure that your illustrations use color. You handwrite all of your answers. You're not typing them out, and just read all the directions here. So step one is to read these pages right here, page 110 through 113. If you have the science textbook handy, you can do it. If not, here's what you can do. It says over here, there's a couple of links. It says Earth Slayers, read this. If you click on this, it will pull up the PDF. These are the pages I'm asking you to read. There's one extra, look at this. You don't have to read this page because there's a bonus weird picture there. So you just have to read those pages, okay? Next, you're gonna draw the diagram, but you'll notice that it says page 168 to 169. That's not within those pages. So the drawing that you're gonna draw, the diagram, is not in this. It's instead here. That's why I have a big link where it says draw this diagram. So if you click on that and pull up the diagram, it might take a minute to load. Here it is. You can zoom in if you need to, but you're drawing this entire thing. It's big. There's a lot of stuff on it, but really it's kind of simple shapes, a lot of circles. So you're going to draw this whole part, and you're also going to draw on the zoomed in part. As is always the case, these like paragraphs here, you do not need to write out those paragraphs. You could skip those. So you're drawing this, you're using color, you're putting in effort. All right, that is step two. Next, label the diagram with these terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the terms. You need to label all of them. Now, the labels are on here. Like here's inner core, 1, outer core, 2, mesosphere, 3, asthenosphere, 4, lithosphere, 5, and crust, 6. But we are missing another one. You'll notice it asks you to label the mantle, but the mantle is not labeled here for you. You should know that the mantle includes the mesosphere and the asthenosphere and part of the lithosphere. You should do these drawings, like do these arrows and label, but you should do an additional one that labels the entire thing as the mantle. You will be losing a point if you don't do that. So just telling you. Next, answer the following question in complete sentences. What is the difference between continental and oceanic crust? In your answer, include the composition, aka what it's made out of, and the location of each. Where is it located? These answers should be somewhere in the textbook pages that you were supposed to read, not this one, but the other ones, or your notes. And you should be able to do all of that, turn it all in, hand it in to me, and get a really good grade on this. All right, so that is your assignment for this particular journal entry of the Earth's interior.